Hi guys, in today's video we are going to learn how to add a Heimdal security API into the Microsoft Power BI. First, click the Get Data button. Next, click Other and then Web. In the meantime, don't forget to log in to the Heimdal dashboard. To access the information about the Heimdal security APIs, you need to click on the Guide button and go into your Heimdal security API key. Here you have the information for all the Heimdal security APIs and all the information on how to configure each of the APIs. For this example, we are going to configure the Active Clients API. To do so, click on the Advanced Radio button and add in the URL parts. For this example, I will select the first part of the Heimdal API. I will paste it in the first field. And then I'm going to copy the following part, which are the parameters that I have to call for this API. Give it a check. Seems to be okay. Now if you wonder where you can find the customer ID, you just need to scroll down on this page and here you have the customer ID. Next, we need to configure the authorization header. In this case, we will type in authorization and add in the access token. Copy the personal key, type bearer and paste in the personal key. If everything is okay, press OK. We are now receiving data from the Heimdal dashboard into Power BI. We can convert everything to table. Press OK. And click the Expand button to display all the information that is gathered from the Heimdal dashboard. Following these steps, you can add any of the other Heimdal security APIs to collect information from the Heimdal dashboard about your endpoints. You can configure an API for the customer details, an API for the active clients. We've got an API for the dark layer guard, for the Microsoft updates, for the third-party applications, for the vector end detections, for the vigilance detections, for the ransomware encryption protection, and statistics per module for the active clients and the total active clients. That's it on how to add a Heimdal security API into Microsoft Power BI. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.